Let's move on then to Ethereum, ETH. You said that you look at buying it at current levels or better. It had reversed up of this important support line here, line 1, a very nice classic reversal there on Monday. Broke above line 2 yesterday. Today it was trading up, but if I look at where it is right now, it is trading quite far off its high of the day. This is it here, so it's trading well off its high of the day. So I would maybe just wait and see if tomorrow being Thursday, if it pulls back a bit more, perhaps the 50-day moving average at the 3004 level, look to buy it then with your stop below the support line at line 1, which is mentioned here, a close below 2935. Or if you'd rather have it a bit tighter, use a close below 3000, or even an intraday break below 3000 if you want it tighter. But it does look like we could get more of a run here, maybe pull back tomorrow a bit, and then continue. Certainly if it takes out today's high of 3167, 3168, that would be very bullish in the short term. The stochastic gave a bullish divergence at the recent low and is not overbought yet, so more upside is likely in the price based on that. In terms of the target, I'm looking for potential move to this flat 200-day moving average as well. Before then at 3310, and that moving average is at 3500. So really from 3310 to 3500, that's where you want to be taking your profits.